Whoa! Did you see that leaf fall? Why do things always fall down? Scientists, I noticed something interesting. Everything I drop falls down. I think something might be pulling things down. Maybe Earth is pulling them. According to this book, gravity is the invisible force that pulls things toward Earth and keeps our feet on the ground. It looks like Earth is always pulling things toward its center. Scientists, let's make a prediction. Which one will fall the fastest when I drop them? The apple fell fast. The pine cone fell fast too. The paper airplane fell slower. All three objects fell down. That means gravity pulled them toward Earth. But here's a question for you scientists. What would happen if gravity disappeared? If gravity disappeared, everything in the park would start floating away, even our picnic. Without gravity, even giant trees couldn't stay planted. Their roots would pull loose and the trees would float away. Even playground toys and balls would float into the sky. And Earth couldn't hold oceans, air, or people. And did you know astronauts float in space? Without gravity pulling them down, everything drifts around. Pop quiz, scientists. Which one explains gravity? Is gravity A, pushing things up, B, pulling things toward Earth, or C, making things spin? The answer is B. Gravity pulls things toward Earth. That's why we stay on the ground. Well, that's all for today. Keep asking questions, scientists. I'll see you next time in Nova's Lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.